Welcome to a new era in agriculture, where digital tools are transforming the way we grow, manage, and harvest crops. In this video, we'll explore how technology is revolutionizing farming practices, making them more efficient, sustainable, and productive. From precision farming to smart sensors, digital innovation is helping farmers tackle age-old challenges with modern solutions. Join us as we journey through the digital landscape of agriculture, discovering the tools and trends that are shaping the future of food production. Let's begin by understanding what digital agriculture really means and why it matters today. Digital agriculture refers to the integration of advanced technologies into farming processes. This includes using data, sensors, and software to optimize every stage of crop production. By leveraging these digital tools, farmers can make better decisions, reduce waste, and increase yields. The concept goes beyond just using computers. It's about connecting devices, analyzing information, and automating tasks to create a smarter, more responsive agricultural system. As we move forward, you'll see how these innovations are making a real difference on farms around the world. Precision farming is one of the most significant advancements in modern agriculture. By using GPS technology, drones, and satellite imagery, farmers can monitor their fields with incredible accuracy. This allows them to apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides only where needed, reducing costs and environmental impact. Precision farming helps maximize crop yields while minimizing resource use, making agriculture more sustainable and profitable. Let's take a closer look at how these digital tools work together to create smarter farms. Drones have become an essential tool for modern farmers. Equipped with cameras and sensors, drones can quickly survey large fields, capturing detailed images and data about crop health, soil conditions, and pest infestations. This real-time information allows farmers to respond faster to issues and make informed decisions. Drones also help with planting seeds, spraying crops, and even monitoring livestock. Their versatility and efficiency are helping to reshape traditional farming methods. Smart sensors are revolutionizing how farmers monitor their crops and soil. These tiny devices can measure moisture levels, temperature, nutrient content, and more, sending real-time data directly to a farmer's smartphone or computer. With this information, farmers can adjust irrigation, fertilization, and other practices to meet the exact needs of their crops. Smart sensors help conserve water, reduce waste, and ensure healthier plants, making them a vital part of digital agriculture. Data analytics is at the heart of digital agriculture. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of information from sensors, drones, and machinery, farmers can uncover patterns and trends that were previously invisible. This data-driven approach helps them predict yields, identify risks, and plan for the future. With powerful software tools, farmers can visualize their data, run simulations, and make evidence-based decisions that improve productivity and sustainability. Cloud computing has opened up new possibilities for farmers by providing easy access to powerful software and data storage. With cloud-based platforms, farmers can store, share, and analyze data from anywhere, using any device. This flexibility allows for better collaboration between farmers, agronomists, and advisors. Cloud computing also enables the integration of various digital tools, creating a seamless and efficient workflow that supports smarter farming. Mobile apps have become indispensable for today's farmers. These apps provide instant access to weather forecasts, market prices, crop management tips, and more. With just a few taps, farmers can monitor their fields, track equipment, and communicate with suppliers or buyers. Mobile technology puts critical information at farmers' fingertips, helping them make quick, informed decisions and stay connected to the latest developments in agriculture. Internet of Things, or IoT, connects devices and sensors across the farm, creating a network that shares information in real time. This connectivity allows for automated irrigation, livestock monitoring, and equipment tracking. IoT systems can alert farmers to issues before they become problems, saving time and resources. By linking everything from tractors to soil sensors, IoT is making farms more efficient and responsive than ever before. Automation is changing the face of agriculture. Tractors, harvesters, and planters can now operate with minimal human intervention, guided by GPS and advanced software. These machines can work longer hours, perform tasks with greater precision, and reduce labor costs. Automation not only boosts productivity but also helps address labor shortages in the farming industry. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated machines to take on complex agricultural tasks. Robots are making their way onto farms, performing tasks like planting, weeding, and harvesting. These machines can work tirelessly and with incredible accuracy, handling repetitive or physically demanding jobs. Robotics not only improves efficiency but also allows farmers to focus on more strategic aspects of their operations. As robotic technology continues to evolve, we'll see even more innovative applications in agriculture. Satellite imagery provides farmers with a bird's-eye view of their fields. By analyzing images taken from space, farmers can monitor crop growth, detect diseases, and assess soil conditions over large areas. This technology enables early intervention and helps optimize resource allocation. Satellite data combined with other digital tools gives farmers a comprehensive understanding of their land, leading to better yields and more sustainable practices. Accurate weather forecasting is crucial for successful farming. Digital tools now provide hyperlocal forecasts, helping farmers plan planting, irrigation, and harvesting with confidence. Advanced models use data from satellites, sensors, and historical records to predict weather patterns. By staying ahead of changing conditions, farmers can protect their crops and maximize productivity, reducing the risks associated with unpredictable weather. Our management software brings all aspects of farming into one digital platform. These tools help farmers track expenses, manage inventory, schedule tasks, and analyze performance. With everything in one place, decision-making becomes easier and more efficient. Farm management systems also support compliance with regulations and help farmers plan for the future, making them an essential part of modern agriculture. Digital marketplaces connect farmers directly with buyers, streamlining the process of selling crops and livestock. These platforms provide real-time pricing, secure transactions, and access to a wider customer base. By cutting out intermediaries, farmers can increase their profits and build stronger relationships with consumers. Digital marketplaces are making agriculture more transparent and efficient, benefiting both producers and buyers. Blockchain technology is being used to improve food traceability and safety. By recording every step of the supply chain on a secure, transparent ledger, blockchain ensures that consumers know exactly where their food comes from. This technology helps prevent fraud, reduce waste, and build trust between farmers, retailers, and consumers. Blockchain is paving the way for a more transparent and accountable food system. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is helping farmers make smarter decisions by analyzing complex data sets and providing actionable insights. AI-powered tools can predict crop diseases, optimize planting schedules, and even automate machinery. By learning from past data, AI systems continuously improve, offering farmers tailored recommendations that boost productivity and sustainability. The integration of AI is making agriculture more precise and adaptive. Machine learning, a branch of AI, enables computers to learn from data and improve over time. In agriculture, machine learning is used for tasks like yield prediction, pest detection, and soil analysis. These systems analyze patterns in large data sets, helping farmers make better decisions with less guesswork. As machine learning technology advances, its applications in agriculture will continue to expand, driving innovation across the industry. Remote sensing technologies such as satellites and drones collect data from a distance, providing valuable insights into crop health, soil moisture, and field conditions. This information helps farmers monitor large areas efficiently and respond quickly to changes. Remote sensing reduces the need for manual inspections and supports precision agriculture by delivering accurate, timely data. Digital irrigation systems use sensors and software to deliver water precisely where and when it's needed. These systems monitor soil moisture and weather conditions, automatically adjusting irrigation schedules to conserve water and promote healthy crops. By reducing overwatering and minimizing waste, digital irrigation helps farmers save resources and improve yields, making it a key component of sustainable agriculture. Digital tools are not just for crops, they're also transforming livestock management. Wearable sensors and smart collars track animal health, movement, and behavior in real time. This data helps farmers detect illnesses early, optimize feeding, and improve breeding programs. Digital livestock monitoring leads to healthier animals, higher productivity, and more efficient farm operations. Automated greenhouses use digital controls to manage temperature, humidity, lighting, and irrigation. These systems create optimal growing conditions year-round, regardless of external weather. Automation reduces labor needs and increases consistency, resulting in higher yields and better quality produce. Digital greenhouses are helping farmers grow more with less, supporting food security and sustainability. Digital pest management tools use sensors, cameras, and data analytics to detect and control pests more effectively. These systems can identify infestations early, recommend targeted treatments, and monitor results. By reducing the need for broad-spectrum pesticides, digital pest management supports healthier crops and a safer environment. It's a smarter, more sustainable approach to protecting plants. Maintaining healthy soil is essential for productive farming. Digital tools now allow farmers to monitor soil health in real time, measuring factors like pH, nutrient levels, and organic matter. This information helps farmers apply the right fertilizers and amendments, improving soil quality and crop yields. Digital soil monitoring supports sustainable practices and long-term farm success. Field mapping uses GPS and data analytics to track crop production across different parts of a field. By understanding which areas are most productive, farmers can adjust their practices to maximize yields. Forecasting tools use historical data and predictive models to estimate future harvests, helping farmers plan and allocate resources more effectively. These digital tools are key to improving farm profitability. Digital tools are streamlining the agricultural supply chain from farm to table. With real-time tracking, automated logistics, and data-driven planning, farmers can reduce delays, minimize losses, and ensure fresher products reach consumers. Supply chain optimization increases efficiency, reduces costs, and supports a more resilient food system. Online platforms and digital resources are making agricultural education more accessible than ever. Farmers can now access training videos, webinars, and interactive courses from anywhere, learning about the latest technologies and best practices. Digital education empowers farmers to adopt new tools and stay competitive in a rapidly changing industry. Digital tools are helping farmers adopt more sustainable practices by providing data on resource use, environmental impact, and crop performance. With this information, farmers can reduce waste, conserve water, and minimize chemical inputs. Sustainable farming not only benefits the environment but also improves farm profitability and resilience. Access to financing is critical for farmers looking to invest in new technologies. Digital platforms now offer loans, insurance, and financial planning tools tailored to the needs of the agricultural sector. These solutions make it easier for farmers to access capital, manage risks, and grow their businesses. Digital finance is supporting innovation and growth in agriculture. Digital cooperatives connect farmers, suppliers, and buyers through online platforms, enabling collaboration and resource sharing. These networks help small farmers access markets, share knowledge, and negotiate better prices. Digital cooperatives strengthen rural communities and promote inclusive growth in the agricultural sector. Digital tools are bridging the gap between farmers and consumers. Social media, farm websites, and online marketplaces allow farmers to share their stories, promote their products, and build direct relationships with buyers. This engagement increases transparency, trust, and loyalty, benefiting both producers and consumers. Regulatory compliance is a major concern for farmers. Digital tools simplify record-keeping, reporting, and compliance with food safety and environmental regulations. Automated systems track inputs, outputs, and processes, making audits easier and reducing the risk of errors. Digital compliance tools help farmers meet standards and protect their businesses. On-farm digital weather stations provide real-time data on temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind. This information helps farmers make timely decisions about planting, irrigation, and crop protection. Digital weather stations are easy to install and integrate with other farm management tools, supporting more precise and responsive farming. Crop insurance is vital for managing risk in agriculture. Digital platforms make it easier for farmers to purchase insurance, file claims, and receive payouts. These systems use data from sensors and weather stations to assess losses quickly and accurately. Digital crop insurance provides peace of mind and financial security for farmers facing unpredictable conditions. Geographic information systems, GIS, and digital mapping tools help farmers visualize their land, plan field operations, and track changes over time. These technologies support precision agriculture by providing detailed maps of soil types, crop health, and irrigation needs. Digital mapping makes it easier to manage large farms and optimize every acre. Digital fertilizer management tools use data from soil sensors and crop models to recommend the right type and amount of fertilizer for each field. This targeted approach reduces waste, lowers costs, and minimizes environmental impact. By applying fertilizers more efficiently, farmers can improve crop yields and protect natural resources. Choosing the right seeds is crucial for successful farming. Digital tools analyze soil data, climate conditions, and crop performance to recommend the best seed varieties for each field. This data-driven approach helps farmers maximize yields, reduce risks, and adapt to changing conditions. Digital seed selection supports more resilient and productive farms. Digital harvesting solutions use sensors, automation, and data analytics to optimize the timing and efficiency of crop harvests. These tools help farmers reduce losses, improve quality, and increase profitability. Automated harvesters can work around the clock, ensuring crops are picked at their peak. Digital harvesting is making food production faster and more reliable. Water is a precious resource in agriculture. Digital water management systems monitor usage, detect leaks, and optimize irrigation schedules. These tools help farmers conserve water, reduce costs, and ensure crops receive the right amount of moisture. Digital water management supports sustainable farming and protects vital resources for future generations. Early detection of plant diseases is critical for protecting crops. Digital tools use sensors, cameras, and AI to identify symptoms before they spread. These systems alert farmers to potential problems, enabling quick intervention and reducing crop losses. Digital disease detection helps maintain healthy fields and supports food security. Crop scouting is essential for monitoring plant health and identifying issues early. Digital tools now allow farmers to scout fields using mobile apps, drones, and sensors. These technologies provide real-time data on crop conditions, pest presence, and nutrient deficiencies. Digital crop scouting improves decision-making and helps farmers respond quickly to challenges. Farm security is increasingly important in the digital age. Surveillance cameras, motion sensors, and automated alerts help protect equipment, livestock, and crops from theft or damage. Digital security systems provide peace of mind and allow farmers to monitor their property remotely, ensuring the safety of their investments. Managing agricultural waste is easier with digital tools. Sensors and software track waste generation, support recycling, and optimize disposal processes. Digital waste management reduces environmental impact and helps farms operate more sustainably. By turning waste into resources, farmers can improve efficiency and support a circular economy. Energy costs are a major concern for farmers. Digital energy management systems monitor usage, identify savings opportunities, and support the integration of renewable energy sources. These tools help reduce costs, lower emissions, and make farms more resilient to energy price fluctuations. Digital energy management is key to sustainable and profitable agriculture. As we look to the future, digital tools will continue to shape the agricultural landscape. Advances in AI, robotics, and data analytics promise even greater efficiency, sustainability, and productivity. By embracing these innovations, farmers can meet the challenges of a growing population and a changing climate. The digital revolution in agriculture is just beginning, and its impact will be felt for generations to come.